The other day I decided that I wanted to crochet a cute little winter headband, and for it I was going to need some chunky yarn. But when I looked in my stash, I realised I just had these super thin, lightweight yarns. And the last thing I wanted to do was crochet from multiple balls of that yarn, because I knew it was just going to leave me with a great big knotted mess and a headache.
This is the worst!
If you've ever found yourself in a similar situation, don't worry, because I'm going to teach you this little trick on how you can make chunky yarn with just one ball of wool. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name's Alyssa and I deal with the crochet side of this channel. Now, to make your chunky yarn, you are going to need a thin yarn of your choice, just like these, and a crochet hook. I'm using my 5mm, but you can use anything you'd like. I would recommend using a hook that's 5mm or bigger, just because obviously our yarn is going to be nice and chunky. You're going to start by taking the end of your yarn and laying it in a big Z shape. Now you can make this as big as you like. Mine obviously is a bit smaller, just so I could get it all on the screen. Now go to the left hand side of your Z and pick up these 3 strands. So grab the top one, then the middle, and finally the bottom strand. Then pick these all up and you're going to hold them as one. So you can see we have 3 strands just like that. And from here you can start crocheting as normal. So I'm going to make a slip knot, then I'm going to grab my trusty 5mm hook and I'm just going to start crocheting a chain. You'll get to a point when you're crocheting where this loop appears. When this happens, you simply want to open it up, reach through it, grab that single strand and pull it through, just like this. And you can pull this for as long as you want. You can make this piece as long as you'd like. Once you're happy with the length, you can go ahead, grab all of that yarn together, and you'll see we have 3 strands of yarn again. Now there is a tiny little join just here, but you won't notice that when you crochet. And you can just then continue as normal. So we'll do that once more. When you get to the point where this little loop appears, just like this, you're just going to open it up, reach through it, grab that piece of yarn and pull it through. And again, you can pull through as much yarn as you'd like. Then you can grab all 3 strands and continue crocheting as normal. And there you are, that's the hack. That's how you make some chunky yarn. I'm just going to quickly show you the difference. Both of these squares were made using one ball of yarn. This square was made using the normal single strand, and this square was made using our chunky yarn hack. Both squares are 14 stitches by 4 rows, and I think you can just see the difference. Our regular square is so tiny.
Cute. It's like a little baby unicorn.
Whereas our other square has the same size and texture as regular store-bought chunky yarn. Folks, I hope this yarn hack helps you. If it does, drop me a comment down below. I'll see you all again next week in my next tutorial, but until then, happy crocheting.